Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Signal media safely and securely. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Signal app on your device. Select the chat that contains the media you want to backup. Download each media file by tapping on the file or image. Once downloaded, navigate to your device's storage. Locate the folder where Signal stores downloaded media files. On Android, this is often the Signal folder in your internal storage. On iOS, downloaded files may be saved in the Photos app. Create a new folder in your preferred backup location for organization. Move or copy the downloaded media files to this new folder. For cloud backups, choose a secure service like Google Drive or iCloud. Upload the new folder with your Signal media to the cloud. Ensure you enable encryption for added security if your service offers it. To backup specific files, consider using a secure external drive for extra safety. Regularly repeat these steps to maintain an up-to-date backup. Check that all files are accessible after completing the backup. If using multiple devices, repeat the process on each one as needed. Keep your backup location private and secure to prevent unauthorized access. Now, you will have a safe and secure backup of your Signal media files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.